That's what he does while I stretch. He just sits there and dances. He's just chilling. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. This week felt like Friday. No, I feel like it was kind of.
It's Friday. You ain't got no job.
I do.
And you ain't got nothing to do.
I have to go to work.
Well, that's from a movie called Friday.
It's 9:06, and we went to the gym. We showered, put on my comfy clothes while I get. Wow, this is great. While I have some breakfast, and then I gotta get ready to go.
Yep.
Do you wear those to the gym?
What?
Or you just put them back on?
I did nothing at the gym, so yeah, I did. My goodness gracious, you are a germaphobe.
I know I am. I'm gonna get some coffee.
I got you.
Well, I want iced coffee.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot we were filming. Coffee. Do you want to have your own cookies that day?
Huh?
Have your own cookies stuff?
Sure.
Sign me up.
Oh, it's on. Making yogurt. Making it fresh.
It's probably so loud because of that dryer.
Sometimes I do.
Yum! It's Friday. Dylan thought it was Saturday earlier. We get to the gym, he's like, well, it's not too busy. It is Saturday. I know it's Friday.
Yesterday was my virtual Friday.
Okay, bye. It's so dark.
Yeah, you can't really see me from where I'm
There's like no good lighting right here.
a hamper or anything? No? Okay!
No! Alright, so I'm just did my makeup. Now I just plugged in the straightener so I can do my hair. I'm gonna use this little, Mimi has this like mirror thing. It's a great tripod. Except it's a little high, so we're gonna use this one. Bang. 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 So I just did my hair, what am I? I'm like on one right now, but having some coffee, finishing up my coffee. I just did my makeup. I'm gonna do my hair. Oh, you're slipping away. And then I'm gonna get dressed and pack my lunch. What time is it? 10:03, so I have to leave in like an hour and 15 minutes. Which is good. So what I was gonna say is, what was I gonna say? Oh, so it's Friday. So I thought I would take you through a day in my life because I've been meaning to all week. And then I was like, oh, I'll just do it on Friday, which actually it's funny because it hasn't been like any of the other days in my week so far because Dylan's home and the other days he hasn't been home. So we're staying at my grandparents' house and there's a Planet Fitness literally down the street. But I don't have a black card, so I can't go to that one unless I go with Dylan. So we went there this morning. We got up at like 7. And we went and we were back by like 8:30. And then showered, ate breakfast, and now I'm getting ready. And it's 10:05. Oh yeah, I just said that. But other mornings I've been like getting up with him at 7:30, having breakfast at like 8:30. And then I've been doing like little workouts here. And then taking my time getting ready, editing videos, recording podcasts. I think I recorded 3 podcasts this week. Yeah, I did. One of them's live right now if you haven't checked it out. Mainly Adulting with Mariah MacDonald. It's all about my cousin Matt and his girlfriend Francesca and their relationship. And their relationship's really cool. Like they met in college but not at college because they didn't go to the same college. And now they're long distance and they have dogs. And it's just like cute. So you should go listen to that. Next week is gonna be Dylan and I's relationship story. Matt interviewed us for that, and then I have another one going up after that about my fitness journey. And I recorded all 3 of those this week. So those are all gonna be up. What else? Oh, I recorded 2 videos about the cruise that I've been putting off because they have like a key program on Royal Caribbean, so I just filmed a video about that. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. I don't know if anyone that watches these is gonna be interested, but I'm really just doing it for people that are going on the cruise and like looking up, because I know like we looked up a lot of videos about the cruise we were going on before we went. So that's, I have that, and then I have the Ben and Jerry's sweet video, so I need to edit those. Those are taking I started yesterday and I only had an hour to like work on it, but I know it's gonna take me a little bit. Oh, so yeah, I'm going to work 12 to 5 and I'm gonna come home, and then we're gonna have Dylan's having his friend Mike come over, and then my cousin Matt and his girlfriend Francesca are coming over, and we're gonna make breakfast for just went out of focus. We're gonna make breakfast for dinner, and then we're gonna just hang out, and maybe we might record a podcast. I don't know. I don't really have a topic, so I don't think we're going to, but maybe we will. Who knows? But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. It's Friday. Friday. So I'm gonna do my hair and get dressed, and then I will catch up with you guys after. Up a little bit and leaving like what I'll wear tomorrow or for pajamas tonight. Oh, this is so blue. It's so blue in here, but I'm just packing up a little bit so I don't have to do it all tomorrow. Dylan's out here cleaning. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Don't want to go to work. I just want to hang. You remind me of that book at, what's that store? Picolo, of the book of like all of the men, like it's like women, like it's like all the men going, and yeah, and it's like all the men doing like house chores. Alright, I need to pack my lunch up. I like packed it, or I didn't pack it, I just like got it all ready. Now I need to put it all in my lunch box. Works. Got some grapes, some yogurt, some fruit for the yogurt. And then I have granola for the yogurt. Ew, what just fell off of that? And some Chex cereal, because I've been like munching on this as a snack the last few days. So good. It's like the best snack. A nice pack. Do I need anything else? Probably. My battery, or my... Alright, I just ran out of storage, but I'm thinking if I should make a coffee to go. I might just have to, because I'm bored, and we're gonna be staying up late tonight. Oh, the light just went away. There we go, there we go. Running in Mimi's house is really nice. Sorry, you're clanking up against martini glasses. That's why that's so funny to me. There's like a wine glass wobbling on top of you. I want to make a coffee to go because I had some cold brew. And now the vacuum's starting up again. We're gonna make some hazelnut to go. Mostly because, I don't know, it'll be for my drive, you know? Something fun, something different to do while I'm driving. What am I even saying right now? I'm literally like, I don't know what was in my coffee this morning, but I've been psycho ever since. So let's just have some more, right? That makes sense. Right. On my way out. Ah! So bright. Oh, my car is on, yay. I started it, but I couldn't tell if it was started or not. I can't like hold all of this and get my stuff. Alright. It's colder today. It's been like 45, 50 degrees and now it's back down to like 30. So. Drive to work. Hopefully it'll go by quick. It's already started and I just tried to turn the keys to start it. Did you hear that? Whoopsies, I'm so sorry, car. Oh no, my camera battery's dying. Rats. Alright, then I guess I'll see you guys later. Guys, I'm on my way home, or to my girlfriend's house, which that's where I'm staying tonight. Oh, this is our last night there. That's so sad. This is like shaky nation. Alright, my camera's gonna die, but I was just thinking, like, the sunset's so beautiful. I'm heading home. I'm gonna hang out with friends tonight. We're gonna have breakfast for dinner. And I'm listening to a new episode of Happy Hour with, that's Gretchen Garrity's podcast, which has MacDonald on it right now, which is really funny. If anyone watches them, it's funny because my last name's MacDonald too, and I have a cousin named Emma MacDonald, and I'm like, are we related? But we're not. I just wanted to say that. I got a little clip of like the sunset because it was so pretty, and I definitely shouldn't be filming and driving, but sometimes you just gotta do it. It was like a slow, like, area. No one was really around, but it was so, watch, there's gonna be like 20 cars going by, but I don't know, it's just so pretty, and it's Friday, and it's just so happy. And that's all I have to say. So I'm gonna get home and charge my camera so that I can vlog a little tonight. I'm a flop, and I didn't vlog the entire dinner. Hey guys. Whoa, you caught that on camera. I just exploded. Those are the stars of this week's podcast. If you haven't listened, mainly adulting with Mariah MacDonald. It's all about these two. So we just had omelets and potatoes and bacon, and it was so good. Now we're gonna play Picolo, a little White Claw. And the dogs, they're going at it. It's like Africa. The lion and the tiger.
Hopefully you guys sound like a lion.
He looks like a lioness.
Worth it.
We got all the chocolate. Hi guys, so I'm just coming on here to end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole, 2 A's and 2 E's. And check out my podcast, Mainly Adulting with Mariah MacDonald. I will see you guys next week. Bye.